Hello everybody, welcome to Secret Animal. Today we are to find out how soon the horse come into heat after giving a birth. If you are a breeding horses as a business endeavor, knowing about foal head, your mare first heat after giving a birth, is important for several reasons depending on your breeding goals and your mare's health. Her foal-head cycle can begin as early as 6 days after giving a birth and as late as 12 days. Ovulation will typically begin day or two after the cycle begins. Successfully breeding your horse during fall heat is the only way to ensure annual fall production. Number 1. Seasonal heat cycles. Unless your mare has a health issue that interferes with heat cycle, she will have a multiple heat or estrus cycle begin with the increased daylight hours of spring. The terms of having this multiple cycle is polyestrous. Her ovaries become active, meaning they develop follicles, and she begins ovulating. After her first ovulation of the season, she should ovulate about every 21 days, with estrus occurring or 2 to 8 days during this period. It's only during the estrus that she is receptive to stallion, and typically estrus is longer early in the spring. By the time summer roll around, estrus might last only few days. The time during a cycle when she is not receptive to breeding is called diestrus. During the winter, her ovaries become inactive with no follicle. This is called anestrus. Fall heat particulars. If you breed your mare while she is fall heat, she may become pregnant few days faster than if you wait and breed her during her next month estrus. Also, some mare will go with the fall heat followed by the whatever reason a period of estrus and then resume estrus. In that case, it may be a few months before you can breed her. Some mares have delayed estrus cycle because they are nursing their babies, in which case you will have to wait until the current foal is weaned. Many babies get diarrhea during the mother fall heat period. This, however, has nothing to do with the estrus affecting milk quality, so don't wean the baby prematurely because of estrus. Annual breeding considerations. Your mare pregnancy or gestation period lasts about 11 months, 333 to 345 days. So if you don't breed your mare again in fall heat, you will miss out the annual fall production. For recreational or amateur horse owner, this is typically not an issue, but it is for the professional breeders who need maximum breeding cycles. If you breed through artificial insemination, remember that stallion owner typically collects semen only during certain period. In this case, you have to schedule this semen shipment for the time when your mare is receptive to breeding. The typical predictability of the fall heat is another reason it is so desirable. In some cases, horse owners need to consider a projected fall birth date when making breeding decision. Example, if the birth date will occur during winter or if there is a buyer waiting for the fall within a stated time period. Mare breeding health. If you breed your mare outside of fall heat, your weight may perform a uterine culture to ensure she doesn't have uterine infection that can reduce her chances of getting pregnant. During fall heat, her odds of having bacteria in her uterus are actually higher, but unlike other estrus period, will typically not affect her fertility. If your mare had any complication while or after giving a birth, talk to your vet about whether you should breed her during fall heat depending on the severity of the complications. Please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon so you cannot miss any new video launch. Thank you.